Number 15. The goblin shark. They are the last species in the family of sharks they belong to, a family that originated at least 125 million years ago. The number of goblin sharks remaining cannot be estimated due to the lack of sightings of them. They have been sighted along the coast of Japan, the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Atlantic Ocean. Sightings are so scarce because they don't like to be exposed to sunlight and therefore stay close to the floor of the ocean. Their shape is so unique that people who have seen them often confuse them as a disabled or disfigured shark. Number 14. The bush viper. Their scales almost make it look like a dragon. They are found in rainforests throughout Central Africa. The bush vipers are highly poisonous due to their venom being a strong hemotoxin, causing red blood cells to be destroyed and the destruction of organs. They also have different colors depending on their region. Instead of camouflaging themselves, they become a bright color, which warns others about the dangers that they pose. Number 13. The star-nosed mole. Despite being almost completely blind, they are able to sense with the 22 pink fleshy appendages coming out of their face. Located in eastern Canada and northeastern United States, they are among the fastest hunters ever, so fast that it's almost impossible for a human to follow it. Unlike any other mammals ever, their 22 appendages start out as small bumps at birth, and as they grow they split apart like a banana peel. Number 12. The blue parrotfish. They need their teeth to grind rocks into sand since the algae on the rocks is one of their main food sources. Found in the tropical parts of the western Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. Most crystal white sand on tropical beaches is former parrotfish poop. When the group's dominant male dies, the largest female will change sex and color and will exclusively mate with the remaining females. Number 11. The penis snake. It's actually neither of those things, but instead is a very rare amphibian. In 2011, a group of engineers discovered 6 of them while building a dam in Brazil. It's the largest tetrapod to have no lungs. Tetrapod meaning any vertebrate having 4 limbs, or, as in the snake and the whale, having had 4-limbed ancestors. Scientists believe it breathes through its skin, but it's unclear on how it intakes enough oxygen to survive. Number 10. The thorn bug. They're very tall, thorn-like pronotum, aka the thing that's coming out of its back, discourages predators from eating it. It's located from Florida all the way down to northern South America. You can usually find it on plant stems because they pierce them with their beaks and feed on them. Number 9. The sea pig. They have a large, plump appearance, but actually are only about 15 centimeters or 6 inches in length. They have absolutely nothing in common with land pigs, so it's unknown on how they got that name. Located in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, they are typically found on ocean bottoms at depths of over 1,000 meters or 3,300 feet. Like the sea cucumber, the sea pig breathes out of its anus. They only have one hole and it's used for everything. Number 8. The okapi. Although it does have zebra-like stripes, it actually comes from a family that only contains giraffes and this animal. Located in the northeast of the Democratic Republic of the Congo in Central Africa, it's currently endangered as a result of war, deforestation, and poaching. It was referred to as the African unicorn until 1901 because so many people didn't believe it was real and instead thought it was a myth. Number 7. The panda ant. They may look like big hairy ants but are actually wingless wasps with a sting so powerful that it's earned the nickname the cow killer. They are typically found in dry tropics like the southwestern United States and parts of Mexico. The males are nocturnal whereas the females are active during the day. Number 6. The Venezuelan poodle moth. Discovered in 2009 in southeastern Venezuela, not much is known about this species. Its hairs are believed to help with sensing its environment and also serve as a defense mechanism against predators. Number 5. The giant isopod. These things aren't bugs, they're crustaceans like shrimp and crabs, but they are related to pill bugs. Located on the ocean floor of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, they can reach lengths of 76 centimeters or 30 inches. They're carnivores and have been reported to go up to 5 years without eating. When they are threatened, they curl up into balls, just like pill bugs. Number 4. The lampreys. They can reach lengths of 50 centimeters or 20 inches and can be easily recognized by their mouth filled with circular rows of teeth which are designed for sucking. They feed on blood and bodily fluids of other fish. They will attach itself on the fish like a vacuum cleaner, and its sharp teeth will easily cut through the fish, inducing blood flow. Lampreys are a delicacy food in countries like Portugal, Spain, and France. Number 3. The eye. Its appearance is so unusual that it was originally classified as a rodent, but it's actually a primate. Found only in Madagascar, it's the largest nocturnal primate ever. They are also the only primate to use echolocation to find prey. Echolocation meaning the location of objects by reflected sound. Dolphins and bats also use echolocation. They will spend their entire lives in trees and will avoid ever coming down to the ground. Number 2. The sea swallow. This creature's appearance isn't the only thing amazing about it. Its main food source is the Portuguese man-of-war jellyfish. This jellyfish's sting can be fatal for humans, but the sea swallow can eat it no problem. It does this because inside its skin are hard discs which act as a barrier, and it releases mucus that creates a protective layer against stings. Amazingly, it not only protects itself with poison, but stores it for future use. Many have dubbed this creature the real-life Pokemon. Number 1. The blobfish. Located off the coasts of Australia and Tasmania, they live at depths of 3,900 feet or 1,200 meters. These things are not so ugly in its natural habitat, but because of its low-density flesh, its appearance heavily changes when it's out of water. The blobfish is very lazy in the sense that they don't hunt, but instead hover in one place and open their mouths and suck in any edible particles that they can. Got an idea for a top 15 list? Be sure to leave it in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching.